Hello, my name's Phil Holmes. I'm the Director of Adult Social Services in Doncaster, and I'm here to tell everybody working in social care in Doncaster how you can get your COVID-19 vaccine. Although I'm the Director of Adult Services, this message is also for people working in social care supporting children. So first, which social care staff in Doncaster are able to get a vaccine? Well, we're trying to adopt as broad an approach as possible because a huge number of people in different jobs provide essential support to children and adults around social care across Doncaster every day. So that includes people working in home care, that includes people working with younger adults and children in care homes, in supported living. It includes shared lives carers, it includes foster carers, it includes personal assistants who are funded by direct payments to provide direct support to people in their own homes and in the community. Older people's homes and staff working in older people's homes are covered by a separate scheme, but really there's a large list of people and we want all of you working in social care to feel included. What we will do though is try to prioritise in the first instance so that people who work very close to people in terms of providing personal care support, so they're at more risk in terms of the closer contact they have with people, we want to make sure that you're prioritised first ahead of groups of social care staff who may well see and have contact with people but don't need to do it quite so closely. Managers and people providing essential support to keep services running are also entitled to a vaccine, but again, you won't be as prioritised as some people providing frontline support. We're all trying to work within the national government target of everybody receiving their first vaccination by mid-February, but we'll try to prioritise, so as I say, the most directly affected people get their vaccine first. So, next question, how can you make yourself known so that people are aware that you're a social care worker and you need a vaccine? Please do that via your employer. I've put an email address on the screen so you can see how your employer is able to contact the council just to make yourself known. We, as a council, we work with many of you already, but there are some employers that we don't work with that do equally important work that are still going to be included by the scheme. There are other people who, as I say, who are personal assistants perhaps working with people directly, where you're self-employed, and please do use the email address yourself because it's important as well that you have access to a vaccine. So what we will do is contact all employers and on the basis of everyone who's spoken to us, and we'll make sure then that we are clear about every employer's staff who's eligible for the vaccine and obviously who is wishing to take up the opportunity of having the vaccine, which we hope is as many people as absolutely possible. We're working alongside our NHS colleagues who are doing a brilliant work setting up vaccination across Doncaster. Once we're aware of your details, we'll ensure you're aware of arrangements so you will be contacted when it's time for your vaccination over the next few weeks. In the meantime, and even after you've received your vaccination, it's really important you keep taking the same precautions that you are now. Even having the vaccination will still mean you're at risk of passing on COVID-19 to others, even though you'll be much more safe yourself. So it's so important that you keep on with the distancing and the use of personal protective equipment and everything you're currently doing and have been doing for months in an amazing way to keep people safe. Finally, you'll see some further information and a web address where there are frequently asked questions about COVID vaccinations, just so you're able to feel fully informed and take up this fantastic opportunity with the full information that you need to make that decision. Thank you so much for the work that you're doing, and we're looking forward to getting as many of you vaccinated as possible, so that you can carry on with that work supporting people safely. Thank you.